Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've already started shape of the molecule, and please, I'm just requesting you watch my first video of shape of the molecule. Let's do the continuation of the shape of the molecule now. So I've already explained the tetrahedral shape in my previous video and trigonal pyramidal shape for the group fourth element and group five element. Now let's see the, sorry, my bad. Group 4, yeah, we have done the group 4, group 5, now group 6 element. Group 6, this is group 6 element. We have oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Polonium is the radioactive, just ignore the polonium. Okay, group 5, we have done it, and group 6. Group 6 element, they have 6 valence electron. What do you mean by valence electron? Valence electrons is nothing but the number of the electrons present in the outermost shell. So they have 6 electrons present in the outermost shell. Okay. If the central atom is from group 6, having 2 bonded pair of electron and 2 lone pair. Now see what will be the shape and what will be the bond angle of these molecules, of these compounds. If the central atom is from group 6, if the central atom, if the central atom is from group 6, having 2 bonded pair of electrons and 2 LP lone pair. If the central atom is from group 6 element and even having 2 bonded pair of electron and 2 lone pair. Look at that. Just we can take the example of water molecule, having 2 bonded pair of electron. It has 6 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 bonded pair of electron and 2 lone pair. Can you guess what will be its shape? Shape can't be linear. We can assume these bonded pair of electrons should be linear, but because of the repulsion between the lone pair and a bond pair, it can't move and make a straight line. That's not possible, guys, because of the lone pair bond pair repulsion. So what will be the shape? It's not a linear shape, so you can say non-linear, V shape, bend shape, angular shape, all are fine. I've seen in many textbooks of OCR, AQA, they have mentioned V shape. At Excel, I've seen in Excel, it is mentioned as angular. So V shape, fine. That's the OCR and AQA. V shape, it looks like a V. Look, V shape, non-linear. Yeah, it's not linear, non-linear, due to the presence of lone pair and bonded pair. V shape, the shape of the molecule is the shape of the molecules or compounds. The shape of the molecules, the shape of the molecule is V shape, non-linear, angular, V shape, bent. I've seen in many textbooks bent, non-linear, bent, V shape, and angular. If you're doing OCR and AQA, just mention bent or V shape. Okay, what is the condition, guys? The condition is if the central atom is from group 6, having 2 bonded pair of electron and 2 lone pair, then the shape of the molecule is non-linear, V shape, bent. And what about the bond angle? What about the BA, British Airways? Sorry, my bad. Just a joke. BA, what's the bond angle? For methane, we have done, for methane, in case of methane, we have 4 bonded pair of electron and no lone pair. No lone pair, 109.5. And we move from group 4 to group 5, Like in case of ammonia, one lone pair, and when the molecule has one lone pair, we have to decrease the bond angle by 2.5 angle. So that become 107. So we have two lone pair. So further, in case of water molecule, you have to decrease 2.5 angle. Just take away 2.5. So how much is that? 104.5. It's easy, guys. No lone pair, perfectly TD. This is TD, tetrahedral, and this is trigonal, trigonal bipyramidal. Sorry, trigonal pyramidal, pyramidal. We will do bipyramidal later on. And this is nonlinear, bent, bent. Not only water molecule. If the central atom is from group 6, like H2S, H2SE, H2DE, tellurium, selenium, all they have nonlinear shape, bond angle 104.5. So we have done. So I have started from group 4, all these, group 5, like these elements, group 6, these elements. Group 5, the central atom is either nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Group 6, any one of this would be the central atom. So what is a central atom? Central atom is only one atom having many, it is bonded by many other atoms. Like I told you, we can use either hydrogen or a monovalent atom. Monovalent means it can form one single covalent bond, like halogens, guys. Fluorine, you can put fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. In place of H2, you can use any of those. The shape will be bent and a bond angle will be 104.5. Agree? Now, after that, I want to slightly move back to group 3 elements. Let's see what will be the shape and a bond angle if the central atom is from group 3. Keep on telling you guys, this type of explanation you can't find in any textbook. I make this shape of the molecule very easy so that everyone can understand and learn how to do the shape of the molecule. We can't memorize the chemistry, guys. I told this sentence a million times. You can't memorize chemistry. You have to understand the chemistry. Like physics, like mathematics, you can't understand the chemistry by memorizing it. You can't learn the chemistry by memorizing. You have to understand the chemistry, guys. So now, I want to move back to group 3 elements, or group 3rd. Group 3rd element, or group 3 elements. They are placed in group 3 because, now look at that. Group 3 elements: boron, aluminum, gallium. Boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium, TH or TL, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, Pb. Yeah. So group 3, boron. If the central atom is from group 3, if the central atom is from group 3 elements, is from group 3 elements, group 3 elements having 3 bonded pair of electrons. I will write complete. complete electrons. Electrons and no lone pair, no LP. If the central atom is from group 3, having 3 bonded pair of electron and no lone pair. Yeah, boron has no lone pair. If boron form any 3 bond like BF3, look at that, it has no lone pair and it can form 3 covalent bond. Look at that one. Boron trifluoride, aluminum trichloride, boron trifluoride. 1, 2, 3. Look at that one. One bond is a planar molecule, guys. It's not the 3D, just planar molecule. So we are not using the wedge and dotted. This is a planar molecule. Look at the planar molecule. B boron, 1 fluorine or hydrogen. You can use a fluorine. You can use chlorine also, a fluorine. Okay. So if the central atom is from group 3, having 3 bonded pair of electron and no lone pair. Look at that. You look at that. Like this. This is a planar, like the whiteboard. Look at that. That's the planar molecule, guys. Look at that. This is the planar molecule, like this. Or you can imagine that's the wheel of the car. Look at that. It's the wheel of the car. It is like this. It's a planar. Ammonia is 3D, and this is the planar molecule. Look at that. This is the planar molecule, like this. Okay. My hand, assume that this is the board. My hand is like a board, and this is the planar molecule. It's not the 3D. This is the planar molecule. Yeah. And these are at the equidistance. B and F bond is at the equidistance. So what will be the bond angle? The total is 360. Total, all these circles is 360, and you have to divide it by 3 because of 3 bond. 360 divided by 3 is 120 degree, guys. Yep, like this. This bond angle is same as that one, is same as that one, is 120. So if the central atom is from group 3, having 3 bonded pair of electron and no lone pair, the bond angle is 120. And what's the shape? It's planar. Ammonia is also a planar, but because of the presence of the lone pair, it becomes pyramidal. This is not a pyramidal, just trigonal planar. Trigonal planar. Planar molecule, not the 3D shape. If assume that if I pull the boron and lift it up, like for example in case of ammonia, this is like a, this is, you have to visualize, guys. This is like this. So this is that one. It's like this. Okay. And I'm going to pull the tie the boron or any element and try to lift it up. When you put it apart, the bond, these bonded pair of electron and the bonds move like this. If you pull it like this, and it become like a trigonal pyramidal, like a tripod of what can I say? Is a tripod stand for iPhone, for anything. It become like this. So this is a pyramidal shape, and if I press this central atom, it becomes flat. Press it, and that becomes flat. This is a flat molecule. Flat molecule is planar molecule. Look at that one. So this is BF3 or BCl3, whatever may be. Yeah. So if the central atom is from group 3, because it has no lone pair, having 3 bonded pair of electron and no lone pair, then the shape of the molecule is trigonal planar, and the bond angle is 120. Any more example? Instead of fluorine, you can use chlorine. You can use bromine, BBr3. You can use iodine. Trichloroboron, tribromoboron, triiodoboron. Same shape, same bond angle. AlCl3. What's the shape and bond angle of AlCl3? Aluminum trichloride. What's the shape and bond angle, guys? The shape is trigonal planar and the bond angle is 120 degree. When you will come across the question based on the shape of the molecule, try to identify or try to pick the central atom. All the story is moving around the central atom. If the central atom is group 4, we have done it. If the central atom is group 5, we have done it. I want to give you a small gist kind of stuff. Then I'm going to teach you the linear molecule after that, and a molecule with a double bond and a triple bond. Let's do that one. Yeah, the group 4, group 4, group 5, group 6. We are not doing group 4, group 5, group 6, and group 3. Why group 3? I'm moving back. So I'm moving forward, then going back, because the number of lone pair increases. No lone pair. Yeah, 4 bonded pair of electrons. 4 bonded pair of electrons. No lone pair. No LP. No lone pair, guys. No LP. No LP. You know, group 4 elements. Look at the periodic table. What are they? Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, SN, PB. Yep. PB is the radioactive, just ignore the PB. Okay. Now, group 4. 4 bonded pair of electron, no lone pair. Shape and bond angle. Shape is perfect tetrahedral, perfect tetrahedral. Geometry is tetrahedral, and a bond angle, it's 109.5. No lone pair, 4 bonded pair of electron, and a bond angle is 109.5. Now group 5, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, Bi, bismuth. 4 bonded pair of electron, 3 bonded pair of electron, 1 lone pair. 3 bonded pair of electrons. 1 LP. No lone pair, 1 lone pair. Look at the bond angle and shape change from no lone pair to 1 lone pair. Shape of the, I'm not writing shape. That is shape is, I'm not writing. Shape is trigonal, pyramidal. Trigonal, pyramidal. You have to decrease the bond angle. 109.5, take away 2.5. So 107. Group 5, then the group 6, group 4, group 4, group 5, group 6. Group 6, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. 2 bonded pair of electron, 2 bonded pair of electron. I'm sorry, I forgot the drawing, guys. Like me saying. This is wedge bond. And this is dotted at the back. Ammonia also. 2 wedge, 1 dotted with lone pair. Hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. If the central atom is from oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. 2 bonded pair of electron, 2 bonded pairs of electron, 2 lone pair. Instead of 1 lone pair, it has 2 lone pair, 2 LP. 0 LP, no lone pair, 0 lone pair, 1 lone pair, 2 lone pair. Look at that. So the shape of the molecule or compound is bent, V shape, bent and V, both are fine. What's the bond angle? Take away minus all the time. Minus 2.5, guys. Minus 2.5. Minus 2.5. So how much is that? 104.5. Bent water molecule, best example, with two lone pair and two bonded pair. One lone pair here, one lone pair here, one lone pair here. The bond angle is 104.5. Bent V shape, last one. Group 3. If the central atom is from group 3, obviously it has no lone pair. 3 bonded pair of electron. 3 bonded pair of electron and no LP. So look at the difference between the group 5 and group 3. Group 5, 3 bonded pair of electron, undoubtedly 3 bonded pair of electron, 1 lone pair. Make the molecule 3D. No lone pair, make the molecule 2D. Flat molecule, trigonal, pyramidal. No lone pair. What's the shape? Trigonal, planar. Bond angle exactly 120. I will draw it. BF3. Boron trifluoride. 1, 2. It's like a wheel of the car. So look at that one. 120 degree. So shape, we know the bond angle is BA. Bond angle 120 degree. So that's the small gist, and you will come across many questions from these group 4, group 5, group 6, group 3, and it's easy to remember that one. And if you want to write down on your flash card, and that will be good for you guys. So I want to stop my video here, guys. Thanks for watching my video, and I will come back soon.